Good morning. Please come in and take a seat.
Good morning, Yelena. Thank you for inviting me today.
I have your resume right here on my desk. It looks very impressive and well organized.
Thank you very much. I spent a lot of time preparing it.
Can you tell me a little bit about yourself? I want to know your story.
I studied graphic design at the National University. I love creating visual stories for modern brands.
That sounds very interesting. How long have you been working in this field?
I have 3 years of experience in a small studio. I worked on many different creative projects there.
Why do you want to work for our company? We are quite a large team.
Your company creates the most innovative products in the industry. I want to learn from the best professionals.
We value constant growth and ambition here. Do you enjoy working in a fast-paced environment?
Yes, I actually prefer a dynamic atmosphere. It keeps my mind sharp and very productive.
That is good to hear. We have many deadlines every single week.
I am very good at managing my time. I never miss a deadline for my clients.
What is your biggest strength as a designer? Tell me about your talent.
I think my biggest strength is my attention to detail. I notice small things that others often miss.
Details are very important for our brand identity. We want everything to look absolutely perfect.
I agree with that philosophy completely. Quality is more important than quantity in design.
Tell me about a difficult project you finished. How did you handle the stress?
Last year, I had to finish a logo in 2 days. I focused on the main task and stayed calm.
Staying calm is a very valuable skill. Our office can get quite loud and busy.
I use noise-canceling headphones to stay focused. They help me work in any environment.
That is a smart solution. We actually provide those for our employees.
That is wonderful to know. It shows you care about the workspace.
We want our team to feel comfortable. A happy designer is a creative designer.
I feel the same way about work. Inspiration comes when you feel supported.
Let's talk about your portfolio now. Can you show me your favorite work?
Of course, I have it on my tablet. Please look at this digital illustration.
The colors are very vibrant and bold. It has a very unique style.
Thank you. I wanted to create something memorable. It was a project for a tech company.
Which software do you use most often? We use the latest industry tools.
I am an expert in Adobe Creative Suite. I use Photoshop and Illustrator every day.
Have you ever worked with motion graphics? We are moving into video content.
Yes, I started learning After Effects last year. I can create simple but effective animations.
That is a great bonus for us. We need more movement in our social media.
I can show you some examples of my videos. They are at the end of my portfolio.
This animation is very smooth and professional. You have a good eye for timing.
Thank you. Timing is the secret to good animation. It makes the movement look natural.
How do you keep your skills updated? The industry changes every single month.
I take online courses every weekend. I also read many design blogs and books.
Curiosity is a key trait for our staff. We never want to stop learning here.
I am always looking for new inspiration. I even find ideas in nature and architecture.
Nature has the best color palettes. I often go hiking to find peace.
I do the same thing. Forest colors are very relaxing and beautiful.
Can you work with a style guide? Our brand has very strict rules.
Yes, I am very disciplined with brand guidelines. I respect the established visual language.
Sometimes we need to break the rules. Do you know when to be bold?
I believe innovation requires some calculated risks. I can offer new ideas when appropriate.
That is the perfect answer. We need a balance of discipline and courage.
I try to find that balance in every project. It leads to the best results.
Do you know how to prepare files for print? We still do some physical advertising.
Yes, I understand color profiles and bleed settings. My father was a professional printer.
That is very rare nowadays. Most young designers only know digital work.
I appreciate the tactile feeling of paper. It has a different soul than a screen.
We have a very expensive printing machine in the basement. You will love using it.
I am very excited to see it. High-quality print is a true art form.
What about web design? Can you create layouts for mobile phones?
Yes, I design with a mobile-first approach. Most people use their phones for everything now.
Your technical profile is very complete. You have all the skills we need.
I'm glad to hear that. I work hard to stay versatile.
We work in small groups of 5 people. Do you enjoy collaborating with others?
I love brainstorming sessions with a team. 5 heads are always better than 1.
How do you handle constructive criticism? Our creative director is very honest.
I don't take criticism personally. It is a tool to make the work better.
That is a very mature attitude. We want to avoid big egos in this office.
A project is more important than my pride. I want the client to be happy.
What do you do if a teammate is slow? How do you help them?
I ask if they need help with their tasks. We are a team, so we finish together.
We have a very friendly culture here. We often eat lunch together on Fridays.
That sounds like a wonderful tradition. It helps to build strong personal bonds.
Do you have any hobbies outside of design? We like interesting people.
I play the guitar, and I love cooking. I enjoy making complex Italian dishes.
Maybe you can cook for our office party. Everyone loves good Italian food.
I would be happy to do that. My lasagna is quite famous among my friends.
Now I'm getting hungry. Let's stay focused on the interview.
Of course, I apologize for the distraction.
It's quite all right. Personality is very important. I need to know if you fit the group.
I think I'm a very easygoing person. I get along with almost everyone.
We have people from many different countries. Do you speak any other languages?
I speak fluent English and basic French. I am currently learning Spanish.
That is very useful for our international clients. We have an office in Madrid.
I would love to visit the Madrid office. The Spanish design scene is amazing.
It is indeed very vibrant and colorful. We send our best designers there for workshops.
That is a great motivation for me. I love traveling and learning new cultures.
How do you handle a very angry client? It happens sometimes in this business.
I listen to their problems without interrupting. Then I offer a calm and logical solution.
Patience is definitely a virtue here. Some clients don't know what they want.
My job is to translate their thoughts into visuals. I ask many questions to understand them.
You have a very good communication style. It is clear and very professional.
Communication is 50% of the design process. The other half is the actual drawing.
Imagine you lose all your work 1 hour before a meeting. What do you do?
I always use cloud backups and external drives. I am very paranoid about data.
That is a very safe answer. But what if the internet is down?
Then I use my sketches on paper. I can explain the concept without a computer.
A good designer can work with just a pencil. I like your resourcefulness.
Software is just a tool for the hand. The real design happens in the brain.
Have you ever failed a project? Tell me the honest truth.
Yes, once a client hated my first 3 concepts. It was a very difficult week.
How did you find the final solution? Did you give up?
I went back to the research phase. I realized I didn't understand their target audience.
Research is the foundation of every good brand. Many people skip this part.
I spent 2 days looking at their competitors. The 4th concept was a huge success.
Failure is a great teacher if you listen. I'm glad you learned from it.
It made me a much more careful designer. Now I research everything before I draw.
What would you do if you disagreed with me? Suppose I liked a bad color.
I would show you 2 different versions. I would explain why one works better.
So you would try to convince me with logic. I respect that approach.
I want the best result for the company. It is not about winning an argument.
If I still insisted on the bad color, would you do it?
At the end of the day, you are the boss. I would do my best with your choice.
You are very professional and flexible. It is a rare combination of traits.
I try to be a problem solver. My goal is to make your life easier.
That is exactly what I want to hear. I have enough problems already.
I can take some of the pressure off you. I work well without constant supervision.
We trust our designers to make their own decisions. We don't like micromanagement.
That is the perfect environment for me. I'm a very self-motivated person.
Do you have any questions for me? I have been talking a lot.
What does a typical day look like here? I want to visualize the routine.
We start with a short meeting at 9, then we have deep work until lunch.
That sounds like a very healthy schedule. Deep work is very important for creativity.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years? I want to know your dreams.
I want to be a senior art director. I want to lead my own creative team.
We have a clear path for promotion. You can reach that goal here.
That is one of the reasons I applied. I want a long-term career.
We don't like people who leave after 6 months. We invest a lot in training.
I am looking for a professional home. I want to grow with the company.
What are your salary expectations for this position? Be honest with me.
Based on my experience, I am looking for a fair market rate. I am open to negotiation.
We offer a competitive salary and full health insurance. We also have a gym.
The gym is a great benefit. I like to stay active after sitting all day.
We also have a bonus system for successful projects. If the client is happy, you get a bonus.
That is a very fair system. It motivates the team to do their best.
When can you start if we offer you the job? We need someone soon.
I need to give 2 weeks notice at my current job. I want to leave professionally.
I respect that very much. It shows you are a loyal employee.
I want to finish my current tasks first. I don't want to leave my team in trouble.
That tells me a lot about your character. You are a responsible person.
Thank you, Elena. I believe in finishing what I start.
If we hire you, what is the first thing you will do?
I will talk to every team member. I want to understand how they work.
Building relationships is a great first step. You need to trust your colleagues.
I also want to study all your past projects. I need to understand the history.
Our archive is very large and organized. You will have a lot to read.
I love looking at old designs. It helps to see the evolution of the brand.
We have a very specific DNA in our visuals. You must learn it quickly.
I am a very fast learner. I will study the brand book tonight.
You don't have the job yet, Tom, but I like your enthusiasm.
I am just very excited about this opportunity. It feels like the right fit.
I have 2 more candidates to interview today. I will make a decision by Friday.
I understand the process completely. Thank you for your time.
Do you have any final thoughts for me? Is there anything else?
I just want to say I am very passionate. I don't just work for money.
Passion is what separates a good designer from a great one. I can see it in your eyes.
I truly love what I do. Every new project is a new adventure.
I felt the same way when I started. Now I manage the people who have that passion.
It must be rewarding to build a great team. You have a very important role.
It is the hardest part of my job. Finding the right person is like finding a diamond.
I hope I can be that diamond for you. I will work very hard.
I have a very good feeling about you, Tom. You are very well prepared.
Thank you, Elena. It was a pleasure talking to you today.
I will call you on Friday afternoon. Please keep your phone nearby.
I will be waiting for your call. Have a wonderful rest of the day.
Thank you. I will walk you to the main door.
The office looks even better in person. The light is very natural.
We designed it to be very open. It helps the creative energy flow.
I noticed the plants in every corner. They make the air feel very fresh.
We have a dedicated gardener who comes twice a week. We love our greenery.
It shows that you care about small details. That makes a big difference.
Here is the elevator. It was very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Alina. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, Tom. Take care on your way home.